MABUHAY DX, this is Teresa, Delta Whiskey 3 Tango Radio Zulu, Amateur Radio Philippines. Another exciting amateur radio activity is QSLing. Welcome to part 4 of how I do QSLing. Come and join me in filling out information on my QSL cards. This is traditional paper QSL card, so we have to write down or fill out information by hand. Some amateurs use the aid of a computer to fill out QSO details. For most DXpeditions who gathered, accumulated, or collected so many contacts or QSOs, they created computerized QSO labels to stick on to their QSL cards. Let us start writing. Don't use cursive handwriting. Write in print or use block letters. I write first the call sign of the stations I've worked with. Then the date and time of contact. Then the frequency or the band that we worked on. You can interchange a sequence of QSO details, like if you want to put the mode first before the frequency or the signal report. It's up to you. Next is the signal report. Signal report depends on the type of modulation. It is a 2-digit number when on phone mode and 3-digit number in telegraphy mode. If you make a mistake when filling out a QSL card, don't use liquid paper or correction paper. Start over again. Crossed out or written over information will disqualify any card being submitted if they are going to use it as a requirement for a word application. There are two types of QSL, the thanks QSL and the please QSL. It is also important to indicate if you are requesting a QSL for please QSL or indicate that you are answering a QSL for thanks QSL. It is a usual please QSL if you're going to send the QSL card first to the station you have contact with. Thank you very much for accompanying me in filling out information on my QSL card. I'll see you again on the next video, part 5 and last part of how I do QSLing. This is Delta Whiskey 3 Tango Radio Zulu, 63, Mabuhay DX.